What's up, everybody? Today is a beautiful day for us to get into the physical of working out and trying to keep this body, this temple strong and fine. I have my friend Toya who's gonna come and we're gonna do a little bit of exercising and we're just gonna show y'all a little bit. So you know what you gotta do? Get ready to make these boss moves. She's here. Mother, author, businesswoman, and great friend Toya Johnson is here today to give her boss guidance on how to find a healthy life balance between business and pleasure. Plus, she brought a special package from her fitness initiative, Wait No More.
Hey, yo! Hey, beautiful people!
That box must be for me.
Yes, honey, I got some goodies for you.
I can't wait. You know I love you.
I say we working out.
I need to work out with my girls so I can feel good. In your wedding,
Yes.
wearing a white dress that's fitted. I'm like, Lord Jesus, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
We doing bridal boot camp and we gonna get this workout
You
in.
here now.
Oh, she gave you the heavier.
Yeah, that's all right. It's okay.
Let's go curls.
Come on, curls. We're gonna squat with the curls. Let's squat. with
Oh, see?
Come on.
Okay.
Let's go.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4.
All right.
Now 15's hit different.
Oh, don't they though?
All right, come on. We need jump rope right now. Let's,
Okay, you ain't saying
Oh
nothing.
no,
I'm
you
trying
got
to
me
see. I
jump
gotta-
roping with Toya to jump rope.
we got a
champion.
wedding coming up.
Oh Lord.
We got a wedding to get ready for.
Come on.
Let's get it.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Coach.
All right.
Woo. Let's get it. This be burning, baby.
What?
Burning.
Good.
Woo! Yes.
And Rasheeda, you're going to need to pick that 15 up.
What
Stop
15?
pick-
Oh,
You keep picking
okay.
up that little 10.
I do.
You 5 pounds
Because
behind.
see, it ain't about the heavy.
Gotta get it counted. Ready?
Get the count in.
2.
See, I need anything to work that back though.
What?
We gotta be finding them dresses. Some
need
extra
breast
stuff
reduction
that
from
could
the
be
back.
gone.
That's no
Good go.
That was good.
no
Good
game
go.
with them 15.
That was a good one.
Okay.
I told you them 15s ain't no joke.
They do hit.
Next level.
They
But I feel like as long as we doing something
All
to
right.
stay active,
Yeah, that's
like
what
it don't matter, 30 minutes, 20 minutes,
Exactly.
running,
Staying-
treadmill,
yeah, treadmill.
jumping rope. Long as we staying active, it don't matter.
Okay, so are we gonna end it off with a jog? Because this is about enough for me.
So we're gonna do this resistant band workout. We're gonna run up and then we're gonna come back and do the lunges back.
Back.
Oh Lord.
All right,
Okay.
you ready?
So we got it. Good job, friend.
Oh, thank you.
That was good
No,
stuff.
you killing it. I gotta keep up with you.
All right.
Yeah, high five. Look at
Good job, friend. You did it.
Yes.
That's
Thank
what
you.
It's all about, man.
that. Now, I wouldn't have been doing the Wait No More squats because I'd had a band on. I would like, but I like it. It looks, it looks.
It look good on the ladies.
Yeah.
We got
Resistant
it.
band exercise.
Yes,
You know,
it is.
for
It really is.
work all of that.
So it's so important for us to stay healthy, work out together, motivate each other. And now since you got me having to be snatched, I'm really gonna have to work out.
Stay
Feel good,
active.
see?
I love
Hot and bothered.
it. See that? We sweat, we wet.
Great.
Y'all wanna go inside? Get
Yeah,
something
come on, I
to
need
drink?
some water.
I'm telling you, I'm about to.
I shouldn't have it out here, right?
Oh, you ain't
No, it's
thirsty.
okay.
Listen,
we going to get
I
it.
supervise.
Physical health is so important. Try to get in some exercise, just like my girl Toya said. Work them muscles, work them joints, and starts from the inside out and stay healthy, guys. It's so important. Yo, that was a good workout.
That really was.
For
That
real.
really was.
But you know what I really like? I like when like friends work out together.
Each and every day you have to push yourself to do something. I love the whole Wait No More initiative we started. It started out with a 5K. Like we was like, we need to start doing 5Ks in our community.
Right.
So we put together the whole Wait No More thing, and it's to help in the fight against obesity in our community. Some people want to get started on a fitness journey, but they don't have no
don't.
help.
Exactly, they
And
don't.
we're their accountability partner. Like, and that's
Exactly.
what the whole Wait No More family is about. And now we're getting ready to take it on the road. We're doing a 5K walk run tour. So we're hitting 6 cities in June and July. We gotta, help each other. Some days you have them days where you just don't want to do nothing. You just want to eat. You want to get in the funk. Like, get out of that. Snap out of it. Let's go. And I be trying to push that on my family members, friends. Like, health is wealth. We gotta do some type of something to stay
No, we
fit
got
and
to.
healthy.
You've been telling me you've been meal prepping.
Girl, meal prepping changed my life. You know I'm a foodie. You know I love to eat.
You love to eat.
New Orleans girl, I love to eat. We do a lot of salads, a lot of vegetables, a lot of fish. I gave up chicken.
It is like discipline. It's discipline on working out. It's discipline on what you eat, how you eat.
That's very important.
When you eat.
Yep.
Because, you know, it's not good to eat before you go to bed. You know, it's really important to eat breakfast. Like, that's the most important
I
meal of
force
the day.
that on
No,
you all the
he
time.
eats breakfast.
And most important
every
meal of the
morning.
day. Like, you was motivating me for a long time on that fitness kick.
Girl,
Like, you was working out a whole lot.
But see, that was 5 days a week, 5 miles a day.
Yep.
See, I don't even have the time for 5 miles.
But 3 days a week
But
is
3 days a week
amazing.
is what we do.
That's, I mean, I feel like I'm good with 3 days.
Yes.
A week. Even if I, like the rest of the days, I might take a walk in the neighborhood. I feel like as long as we doing something to stay active and make it more of a lifestyle, it's good. It's hard to find that balance to put working out and eating right in your schedule, but it's one of the most important things. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because if you ain't right, how you gonna be right for everything else? Your business, your husband, your kids, you know what I'm saying? So it starts with us like taking care of our bodies and feeding ourselves right, you know, putting the right things in our bodies. So I had to change my whole mindset because I was like, snack here, snack there, bad food here. But I'm like, I want to live long. Like, I can't be pushing this movement and eating terrible.
Exactly.
You know? So, yeah, one day at a time, though. It's not easy, but as long as you're putting forth that effort.
Working out, y'all, it is a mindset thing, and once your mindset is there, it's just about the consistency and making it a priority. Stay consistent, put it to the forefront, make it a priority.
What motivates me, I don't like waking up in the morning, getting dressed and feeling like, ugh. Like, I don't like the way I feel in my clothes. I'm like 10 pounds heavier. I don't like that. I'm like, okay, I gotta do something. I don't know where I'm gonna get this time from, but I'm gonna find that 30 minutes to at least hit the treadmill or do whatever. Some people just can't give up certain things. Moderation, like smaller portions.
Moderation.
Like sometimes we be just stuffing ourselves.
Yes, we
like,
do.
you know,
Yes,
you
we do.
full, like why you still eating this ice cream? And just think about your health, man. We wanna live long. I wanna look good. I wanna be healthy for my kids. I want the
feel
people
sexy.
around me.
I wanna feel good in my
beautiful.
clothes.
Right.
Yes.
Not just on the outside, but you know, inside. Like those are the things that make me wanna find that extra time to get it right.
That weight come on, and when I tell you it's hell to get it off,
Women,
bad.
especially women, like it's so hard to get
I
that
told
weight
you that.
off.
I'm like, we'll fast at first, he'll lose 10 pounds.
Sometimes it make you feel like, oh, I feel like I'm doing all of this. And
For
I'm
nothing.
not losing.
Exactly.
Right. But sometimes we don't lose the weight they lose. We lose inches.
Yep.
It took you time to put the weight on. Allow time to get it off.
yes.
Everybody just want to be, I worked out for 2 days.
I don't see nothing.
It don't work like that. Muscle weigh more than fat. So you might look like the weight is stabilizing and it's not moving, but the muscle is heavier.
Muscle is heavier. Yep.
Yeah.
You made a really good point because when I had the situation where I passed out, recently I was hospitalized for dehydration and exhaustion. I was pumped with IV fluids to get my energy and strength back. I needed rest, water, and a better balance of life more than ever. It was very scary. It's important to stay hydrated, especially on like a workout journey, on your everyday life. You know, I keep a bottle of water on my bedside, a couple of them in my car. They're always with me everywhere that I'm at, that I'm working at, every office, everything. I don't care if you got to squeeze some lemons in it, if you want to put some cucumbers and mint in it, whatever it takes, but get that water because it is extremely important. And that just made me realize the importance of physical health, mental health.
Yes.
And one thing I'm going to tell you, friend, is you going to take a vacation.
Oh, I'm going to take a vacation.
And I'm starting to live by that rule because listen,
y'all.
you need it for your body, for your sanity, just for you have to unplug from things and relax. And that situation happening to me made me realize that is super important and has to be a priority in life.
You need that relaxation time. That's important. That reset, relaxation time. I don't care what nobody say. I'm gonna work. I want to work out. I want to take care of myself, whatever. But I'm gonna relax and chill and enjoy life and take it all in. Because guess what? When it's all said and done, we can't take none of that with us.
You're right about
So you
that.
gotta unwind, relax, enjoy, soak it all in, reset, and go back at it. Make this a lifestyle. It's very important. We want to live long.
We do. I need you to get it together
Hey,
so
man,
you
I'm
can
gonna
be in
get
the
it
gym next to
together.
me. Our treadmills are right next to each other.
But I'm really proud of you for taking your time, putting it out to the community to help other people. Don't do that. Like, so for you to really bring these crowds together, helping people get in shape. Yo, you just a beautiful person.
Well, thank you guys for joining us. We definitely appreciate it, but I appreciate you, Toya.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, and Coach Kirk.
Hey, I'm trying. Y'all already in great shape, though.
Holding us down. I hope you guys, got some good information, understand the importance of being hydrated, staying physical, staying active. Like my girl Toya said, we want to live long lives. We want to see our children have children and children and children and children. So make sure you put it at the top of your list to make physical activity of importance, taking care of self, being healthy, being happy. And until next time, be well.